So we have, let's see this top command and kill command. So we have this virrr.c, which in an infinite loop prints hello world. Okay. So let me compile it. And while developing, you often want to have multiple terminals sometimes. Okay. Whether you are using whichever platform you are, you can have multiple terminals, one to edit and one to execute sometimes. So let's say right now I have not executed the program. There is a utility called top, which basically tells who are the top resource consuming processes. Okay. So I will run top initially, which will be normal. But when I run that a.out, it will be really troublesome. So right now also I can see Teams is using a lot of CPU. So when you run top, by default it sorts it on this CPU column that okay, Teams is taking so much of time and OBS recorder is taking so much of time. And these are the memory consumptions. If you press Shift M, okay, I'm pressing Shift M, then it sorts based on memory. That Teams is the most memory extensive thing, then the OBS recorder, then MySQL daemon, then Chrome and on. So Shift P sorts it on CPU, Shift M sorts it on memory. But anyway, we are interested in CPU right now. Now I am going to create the offending process. So I'm running a.out and now something should change here. Okay. So now that guy is bothering and a.out. So a.out, somehow a.out is still not appearing here. Yeah, here it is. I think a.out, due to some constraint, it is unable to beat Teams, but never mind. But the point is that this a.out is troubling and I need to kill it, right? I need to kill it. So what do I do? First, I need to know the process ID of that a.out and then I can kill it. So how do I know the process ID? I can say ps-f. I get a long list. In this list, I want to search for a.out. Okay. So how do I do that? I can say ps-ef pipe. There is something called pipe. And then I can say search for a.out, grep a.out. Pipe means that whatever the output of this command is, give it to this next command. So grep a.out. A.out will be searched in the output of the previous command. So I get this a.out. Okay. And I know this PID. So I can say kill -914931 and the process is killed. Okay. Because kill basically kill normally is used to literally kill the process, but it can be used to send some other informative signals also. -9 is like the sig kill. It is written as sig kill signal, which just terminates it. There are other signals also, sig user 1, sig user 2. You can understand more about signal handling, but that's a bit advanced for now. So the basic usage of kill is typically just to find the process and kill it because it's troubling too much. And who is troubling, you can either know by such an ASTRI output or you can know by looking in the top that these processes are taking too much CPU or too much memory and you want to kill them. So that's top and kill.